So today I'm going to show you how I built this custom iPad stand for my pro event table. I started out with this. It's a TAB100 and it's built to fit on a microphone stand, which should come in handy for musicians or karaoke people. But the pipe that this mic stand is made out of is much smaller than the 1-inch pipe that the pro event table is made out of. So we've got to somehow adapt this TAB100 to fit on the pro event table. Here's just one solution. I think it works pretty well. Check it out. So this has a swing arm on it, which is nice, and it's stable, unlike a gooseneck. A gooseneck likes to wobble a lot. Right here you can see where it attaches to the mic stand. It's like a clamp. Problem is, that's like, I don't know, maybe a 1/2 inch? And we definitely need the 1-inch for the 1-inch pipe. This is not going to fit. A junior clamp from Global Trust America fits perfect on the pro event table. So I got to figure out how to get this clamp on this tablet stand, and I want to do it in an easy way so anybody can do it. I thought if I took the wing nut off of here, this would fit through this hole and come out the bottom. Problem is, this bolt is way too short, so we need a longer bolt. Now this bolt, on the other hand, came out of, I believe, the LTS6 system. Now the way it works is, if you look at the screw that goes into the junior clamp, it cradles right inside of that hole. So we need to make sure that this bolt is going to cradle right inside of that hole as well. Take the one out here and then pop this one in. Perfect. It cradles right there, right where the original one does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this clamp with the bolt on it, put it up here, and put it through the hole of the clamp that's built on to our tablet stand. Then I'm going to put a couple of washers on here. That one's going to make it so you can't really see the original hole on the clamp. Put a couple more on here just for spacers, and screw our wing nut on. Now once I have it screwed on, it looks like this. Okay, here is our tablet stand. Let's go ahead and attach it to the table. Granted, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little difficult. It's going to be much easier for you two-handed folks out there, but it wasn't even that difficult now, was it? There is a quick release clamp coming out for the junior clamp soon from Global Trust, which I will definitely be using when they come out. I do have the pro shelves on here and everything else that I'll be using to DJ. So there you go. The tablet stand's attached. Now let's go ahead and put the tablet on the tablet stand. Let's see how all of that works out. Like I said, you can fit any size tablet on here you want. I'm using the Gen 2. It's working out real well. There you go. So check this out. I can tilt it up. I can tilt it down. I can swing it out. I can do this. I can do all kinds of stuff. And it's not interfering with any of my table surface. If I have to do something down here, which I will be doing, I'm not interfering with having a stand sitting here or whatever. It's floating in the air. And here's the other cool thing. If I want to, I can attach it on the other side. So if I have an assistant, they can do the lights and I can worry about the other stuff. And they're not in my way, the tablet's not in my way. Hope this video helped somebody. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, comments, anything else, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, practice and enjoy.